Welcome to Patty Paint Pouring. Tonight I'm going to try a little experiment like I always do. I love experimenting. And I'm going to do a Dutch pour. I already have my flood coat down. I'm going to do a Dutch pour, and I'm going to use a little milk paint in it. Not that surrounds it, and that's not what's down here, but in it, and see what happens. Anyway, my paints are very fluid. There's no mound. I don't know if you can see that. They're very fluid. There's no mound. Paints are mixed with Floetrol and water only. And the paints are, this is Amsterdam Van Dyke Brown. This is Basics Light Blue Permanent. This is Phthalo Blue, Creative Inspirations. This is 24 Karat Gold, Deco Art, Americana Decor Metallics. This is Metallic Copper, Creative Inspirations. This is the Milk Paint. And this is your normal Artist Loft White, thin down. So let's get going. So I think I'm going to try to go this way this time. So let's start on this side. Okay. Don't want to use a whole lot of paint because I want there to be a lot of negative space. Just going to drop it in. That's probably good for now. I gotta watch this permanent blue. It seems to take over. So I'm going to use this a little more sparsely. Blocking your view. Okay, right here I sped it up 8 times to not bore you. So I had good intentions here. I did another one that was like this that turned out really good. But by the time I finished this one, I wasn't happy. So continue watching and you'll see what else I did to save it. All right, I'm finished up now. I thought I did all I could do. It does have a lot of beautiful cells. The 24 karat is just gorgeous. Almost looks like a flip cup and not a Dutch pour. The white milk paint, all that's doing is bringing these white cells to the top, and I don't know, I don't use milk paint on a Dutch pour. At least on this one, I didn't like it. But I was just gonna set it down and leave it for about 15 minutes and see what else happened. It was okay, but you know me, started thinking, what else could I do? So I brought out the balloon. So I was just gonna do a balloon roll, balloon twist, dip, and see what I can make of this. So keep watching. I think I'm going to stop right there. Here I am overworking it. Stop! I know you're probably yelling, stop, Patty. Okay. So let me bring you up. Well, I don't think I'm going to scrape this one. I think I actually like it better. I like the composition of it better. The gold still peeking through nicely. More negative space, more white. It's different. I like it. So I'll get back to you when it dries, and I promise I'm not going to do anything else with it. Have a good night.